In any form of personal training, kailangan lagi kayong i-record ng progress ng clients nyo. Katulad ni Lani, meron na siya ngayong 1-month progress report sa akin. It's an analysis kung ano yung nangyari sa body niya under my training. So, merong mga charts dito na tinitingnan hindi lang yung weight na nawala sa kanya, pati yung weight based on body composition. Ito yung una niyang result. Sa weight, last month, 112 siya. Ngayon, 110 na lang. 110.7. Bumaba yung weight niya. Pero ang importante, ano ang part ng weight niya na bumaba? Bumaba ba yung muscle niya o bumaba yung fat? Pag bumaba kasi yung muscle, that's bad news, guys. Kasi siya yung katulong nyo mag-burn ng calories. Pag yan ang bumababa, ibig sabihin, merong mali dun sa training program. So, eto na yung report niya. Yung body mass niya, which is yung muscle, dati 85.1, ngayon 85.5. So, it means we're on the right direction. Pag tumataas yung muscle, tumataas din yung basal metabolic rate. Ibig sabihin, it's what your body burns even at rest. And what we're after is we're turning the body into a fat-burning machine. And of course, ang pinaka-inaabangan, yung fat. So yung fat mass niya last month is 26.9 and ngayon, it's 25.1 na lang. So, bumaba talaga yung kanyang fat, di ba? As you can see, dito sa graph, yung tinatawag na visceral fat. Nagsimula siya sa 4, natapos siya ng 3.5. Bumaba yung kanyang visceral fat o yung nakikitang fat sa katawan niya. Tandaan natin, pag bumababa ang fat, bumabata yung kliyente. Kaya yung tinatawag na bio-age niya, dati 47, pero ngayon 46 na lang. Yung body niya, it's regenerating. We're getting healthier. Tandaan natin, it's not only about weight loss. It's about what weight loss can bring to your life. Will weight loss bring you a more agile body that you could spend quality time with your loved ones? Will weight loss make you look satisfied when you look at the mirror? We're not only after weight loss, we're after the quality of life that you deserve when you get the body that you want, when you get the body that you deserve.